Imagine a world where you never prepare for a surprise storm, a world where droughts are stopped before they begin, where hurricanes can be weakened, rainfall delivered to thirsty lands, and fog cleared on demand. It sounds like science fiction, but what if artificial intelligence could actually control the weather itself? Is this future possible? What would it look like, and what dangers might it bring? Let's find out. Part 1. What weather control is. First, let's understand what we mean by controlling the weather. Right now, humans have experimented with weather modification, not full control. The most common example is cloud seeding, releasing substances like silver iodide into clouds to try to encourage rain. Scientists have been doing this since the mid-20th century, and while some experiments show slight increases in precipitation, the results are often debated and limited to specific conditions. Encyclopedia Britannica. Cloud seeding doesn't create clouds out of thin air. It only works when the right conditions already exist. And there's no technology yet that can make or steer a hurricane, stop a flood, or control drought on a large scale. Waterworld. Weather control, in the full global sense, is still beyond our reach. Part 2. How AI is changing weather science. While we can't control the weather yet, AI is already transforming how we understand it. AI models today can analyze vast amounts of weather data from satellites, weather stations, balloons, and ocean buoys faster and more accurately than old systems. For example, new AI forecasting systems can produce detailed predictions in minutes using far less energy than traditional supercomputers. These systems can make localized and long-range forecasts more reliable, helping farmers plant crops, cities prepare for storms, and emergency planners save lives. In the future, AI could even go beyond prediction to help manage responses in real time. But forecasting is not the same as control yet. Still, scientists imagine a future where AI could do more than just predict, it could guide action. One possibility, AI-driven cloud seeding. Advanced models could tell autonomous drones or aircraft exactly when and where to deploy cloud seeds, maximizing rainfall in drought-stricken regions or helping with wildfire suppression. Real-world efforts like these are already increasing in places like Iran, where cloud seeding missions aim to boost rainfall amid severe drought. Other long-term ideas involve integrating AI with atmospheric engineering tools, like networks of sensors feeding real-time data into AI models that could adjust interventions dynamically. These might include autonomous aircraft, weather drones with onboard AI, or even future technologies we have yet to imagine. But remember, these are speculative visions, not current reality. Part 4. The potential benefits. If AI could control the weather, the benefits could be huge. 1. Better agriculture. AI-guided weather interventions could help farmers get rain when needed, reduce losses from unexpected drought, and optimize irrigation worldwide. 2. Disaster mitigation. What if AI could minimize the intensity of hurricanes before landfall, or disperse heat waves before they become deadly? These are exciting possibilities, although not yet achievable with today's technology. 3. Resource management. AI weather systems could help regions manage water shortages or excessive rainfall, potentially easing conflict over water and improving sustainability. Part 5. The big risks and concerns. But this future isn't just sunshine and rainbows. 1. Scientific limits. Weather systems are incredibly complex and interconnected. Changing the weather in one area could unintentionally affect another, even on the opposite side of the planet. Prism. 2. Ethical and equity issues. Who decides where to send rain or when to break a drought? AI systems can introduce bias, especially if the data they train on is incomplete or uneven. Without careful safeguards, this could worsen inequalities between wealthy and less developed regions. 2. Accountability. If an AI system altered weather and caused harm, say flooding a farm or depriving rain from another region, who would be accountable? The developers, the government, the users? Best AI Pro insights and industry research. 4. Misuse and security. AI systems could be vulnerable to cyber attacks or manipulation. If malicious actors tampered with AI weather, the consequences could be severe. Best AI Pro insights and industry research. Part 6. What experts say. Let's be clear, today's meteorological community recognizes weather modification research, but not full control. Organizations like the World Meteorological Organization, WMO, encourage scientifically sound research into weather modification and cloud seeding, but caution that technology is still limited and unproven at scale. World Meteorological Organization. AI integration into weather science is advancing rapidly, and researchers are already discussing ethical frameworks and responsible governance for future applications. Conclusion. So, could AI eventually control the weather? Maybe, but not yet. For now, AI is improving how we predict the weather, helping us respond better to storms, droughts, and climate events. Full weather control involving dynamic manipulation of atmospheric systems is still a vision. It could bring enormous benefits, but also enormous responsibilities. As we develop the technology, we must think deeply about ethics, equity, and safety. Because controlling the weather isn't just a scientific challenge, it's a global social challenge. Call to action. If you found this video intriguing, hit like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments, would you want AI to control weather if it could, or is it too risky?